Greetings everybody, welcome back to Onesixtyfourland with another GreenLight unboxing. This time we have the Hobby Shop Series 15. All right, we have a sealed case here. Came from Alex at AVS Diecast, avsdiecast.com. Great dude, I always want to shout him out in these videos that I get my cases, or when I get cases from him. He doesn't send them to me for free, I buy them just like anybody else. But here we go. He's got a nice little coupon code for you for all the viewers here. Bearded Mug 10 for 10% off orders over $20 for first-time customers. And his shipping is super reasonable. You're never going to pay more than $7.99, which is really just absurd. So why don't you give Alex a follow there. Look him up, AVS Diecast. Tell him I sent you too. Always makes it good when, word of mouth there. All right, let's get cracking into this Hobby Shop Series 15. The hunt for green machines is on, right? So let's see. It's been a while. This has been in my basement for some time. Okay. All right, so first off is one of the newer castings, 93 Dodge Ram Power Ram 250 with the backpacker. It's jacked up here. It's got this great two-tone blue and almost like a silvery silver. Yep, that's a color. What the hell is that called? That's sage silver. Anyway, great casting. However, and I'm going to mention this in every video, the wheel well really should be further forward. It's just too far back. I'm looking forward to seeing it in the with the dually, but it's going to be the same thing. It's just too far back, unfortunately. All right, what else we got? It is the 1981 Chevy Impala Capital Cab with this man in the suit here. Nice looking casting there. Again, and I say this for almost every casting without mirrors, cars just look better with mirrors. They're just too narrow without them. So it's really not hard. You just put little nubs on them. But what do I know? All right, next up, Border Patrol. Customs officer, right? Border Patrol would be green. So this is a blue one. Looking good though, 2018 Ford F-150 XLT. Well, I think it's really only XL, because the XLT would have the chrome and everything, right? But I guess it says XLT right there. Nice looking truck though. Black bumpers, steel wheels, tinted, which is cool. It's got the light bar on top. Looking good. All right, next up is, let's see, 2010 Shelby GT500, number 68 with the race car driver, right? Here's the little number right there. And this is pretty cool. Little race car. It's got a carbon fiber look over the top there with the stripe. Cool. Not much more to say about that. Okay. And here's a nice looking one. 63 Bel Air with vintage gas pump. This is nice. This looks like a post car. And it's almost a hardtop, right? Two-door hardtop. Just the way the roof is. I like it. Looks great. White, red interior. Got the chrome wheel covers there. They did a good job with this casting. I think the Impala would have 3 taillights across, right? So this is a Bel Air, so it only has 2. Nice. Very good. And then lastly, is the 83 Diplomat with the woman in a dress. Nice looking car. It's got the vinyl roof. And looks like the wire wheel covers. It's red. I like it. Cool. Again, it would look so much better with mirrors. Like the only car that has mirrors is the Mustang here. See? Just looks better, right? Anyway, GreenLight, Hobby Shop 15. Got this one from AVS Diecast. Check him out. Use my code. Buy lots of stuff, and the world will continue to turn. Thanks for viewing, and we'll see you next time.